The Bakken Swiss Cookware Set 23 is a large set. It has many pieces for all your cooking needs. You get pots with lids and frying pans. Bakeware is also included in this set. The black color looks sleek and modern. This Bakken Swiss Cookware Set 23 can be used on different stovetops. It works on gas, electric, ceramic, and induction. This Bakken Swiss Cookware Set 23 is made from reinforced pressed aluminum metal. This makes the pots and pans strong. They should last for a while. And they can handle heat. The non-stick surface helps food slide off easily. Cleaning up after cooking should not be a big issue. You can even put them in the dishwasher. However, hand washing might make them last longer. Think of this set as a helpful friend in your kitchen. It has many components to assist you. You can prep meals easily with the different sizes. There should be a pot or pan for every dish you want to make. While some sets might have PFOA, this one aims to be a better choice. It's like having a complete kitchen in one box. Ready when you are. For anyone looking for a dependable non-stick pan without any over-the-top claims, the OXO Good Grips 8 inches frying pan is a great choice. It's practical, easy to use, and easy to clean. It won't suddenly turn you into a gourmet chef, but it will make everyday cooking less of a chore. This OXO Good Grips 8 inches frying pan is a workhorse, not a show pony, and sometimes, that's exactly what you need in your kitchen. Pros: includes fry pans, has bakeware items, reinforced aluminum, works on gas stoves, works on electric stoves, works on ceramic tops, works on induction, non-stick surface, tempered glass. Lids, includes utensils, easy to clean. Cons: uneven heating possible, lids may not fit well, handles might get hot, bakeware could warp. Not for high heat, coating may chip, durability is a concern, dishwasher may harm. Features: multi-sized pots, includes lids, skillet fry pans, bakeware included, reinforced aluminum. For gas stoves, for electric stoves, for ceramic stoves, induction ready. This Bakken Swiss Cookware Set has 23 pieces for all your cooking needs. It includes different sized pots with lids, pans for frying, and even bakeware. The pots and pans are made of strong aluminum. They can be used on gas, electric, and ceramic stoves, and they are also ready for induction cooktops. This 23-piece Bakken Swiss Cookware Set has black, multi-sized pots and pans with lids, plus bakeware and cooking tools. The pots and pans are made of strong aluminum and have a non-stick coating. They can be used on gas, electric, ceramic, and induction stoves. The lids are made of glass, so you can see inside. The set is easy to clean, but some people have said that the heat might not spread evenly. Also, the lids might not fit just right. The handles could get hot, and the bakeware might bend. You shouldn't use very high heat, and the non-stick coating might chip over time. Putting them in the dishwasher might also cause damage, so they might not last as long as you'd hope.